Hello traders, and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to find out if Apex Trader Funding can replace your 9-to-5 job. In other words, can we get daily payouts from Apex? Why Apex? Because their pricing model makes it possible, and the fact that you can have up to 20 funded accounts at the same time. With this video series, we're going to do a full review of Apex. We'll test their rules, their payout reliability, and whether Apex Trader Funding is fair to traders. So, what are our goals? Our daily profit target is $500 and $10,000 per month. I think that's a solid 9-to-5 replacement for many traders. Now let's talk about how we calculate our profits. We'll keep this very simple. We will not count anything as profit unless we can withdraw it on the next payout request. We'll be using 50,000 accounts since they're the most popular size, so we will only count profits that are above $2,100 per account. That level is our 0 point. If we take losses, we'll only subtract down to that $2,100 level. So all trading and evaluations and all trading and funded accounts up to that point will be treated as preparation and expenses. So how will we trade the funded accounts? Apex has a minimum payout of $500, and we're going to aim for that payout every single day. To qualify for a payout, you must trade for 8 days, and at least 5 of those days must have more than $50 in profit. Our plan is to make $50 per account per day. That means we need about 10 trading days per payout. If there are 20 trading days in a month, we'll need 10 accounts. That way, we can get 2 payouts per account per month, which brings us to the $10,000 monthly goal. So how will we trade evaluation accounts versus funded accounts? Evaluation accounts will be pushed through aggressively. Funded accounts will be traded in small groups of 2 or 3 as we move them toward the $2,100 zero level. Now let's talk about the trading style and rules. Since the profit target is only $50 per day, we'll start by taking a few trades using a couple of micro contracts. I know I'm rarely wrong multiple times in a row, so this works well as a strategy. So we can afford to take a couple of losses and still come out ahead, as long as we keep those losses under control. Of course, if volatility increases or we get unexpected spikes, we could run into some trouble. But the goal here is also to test their rules, so this will be perfect for that as well. When we lose accounts, we simply open new ones and start building them up toward the $2,100 level. These will act as backup accounts. But this approach also means that on the worst days, we may end up trading hundreds of micros. We'll need extreme consistency and some luck to avoid serious trouble. So, what are the costs to get 10 accounts above the $2,100 zero point? When evaluation accounts were around $20 and activation fees were between $40 and $65, the total cost of one funded account came to about $100 to $150. If we include blown evaluations and funded accounts along the way, the total cost for 10 accounts will likely be around $2,000. So we'll need about 4 payouts just to reach break-even. The goal is to keep these accounts for the long term. So that's the plan for getting daily payouts from Apex. I'll try to keep the focus on the payouts, the rules, and what kind of prop firm Apex Trader Funding really is. Do they pay consistently, or do they start making things difficult? Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in this series. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up because this project will take months to complete. And if you want to follow this series or see more videos about futures prop firms, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video where we'll go through the first month.